So how to install mytonies app? So yeah, just tap get, you will be able to install, and then yeah, we are pleased that you're using mytonies app. Always hard work for you, our app Tunis. This update, so your mobile phone memory is full during recording. You can now save recording until then. So yeah, if you like using Tuni boxes, that's pretty cool app. It's very popular last few weeks, especially for kids. It's really entertaining. Here you can set up your Tuni box and your Tuni collection in mytonies account. So you can just tap free register, and then you can just create your Tuni account. So yeah, there are some nice deals in the app, so definitely recommend you to set it up. And that's how you just create it with email and password. It's not possible to sign in using Google or Apple for some reason. So yeah, that's what it is.